You guys, the big day is here. I have in front of me a big ol' Erin Condren box, and do you know what is inside? It is 2022-2023 new editions of the Life Planner, and I am wildly excited to share with you what is in this box today. So I'm doing my Erin Condren launch stuff in 2 videos. The first one is this one, and this is just kind of a general unboxing in real time. This box is still taped up. I have not seen what is inside this box yet. I know what I chose, but I don't know all the details of what's in here or what anything looks like up close or anything like that. So this is going to be brand new in real time, reacting to what is in this box in an unboxing video. And then in my next video, we're going to do the overhead shot, complete walkthrough comparison game video later on launch day. So because I'm dying to get into it, let's get into it. I came prepared. I have my scissors. Literally, the tape is still sealed on this bad boy. It was delivered not that long ago. There we go. Are you ready? I'm ready. We start with this bad boy right here, which is all the details that we affiliates need to know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's gorgeous. I knew it would be gorgeous, but it is just absolutely exceptional. I've said it every single year, and it gets more and more true the more Life Planner launches I'm involved in. Erin Condren products, like this planner and everything, is like Lisa Frank for adults. And I was Club Lisa Frank obsessed. I'm not gonna lie, some of the stuff that's coming out now, Lisa Frank is doing a whole lot of collaborations and stuff lately, and it is taking every ounce of willpower I have to not go out and snatch up every single one, because I was wildly obsessed with Lisa Frank in my childhood, in my teens. When was it hot? When was like the year for Lisa Frank? I was all in. I was into it. And like, let's be honest, I'm still kind of into it. I wish it was as readily available as it was when I was a kid. We're talking, they had this catalog that had all of these like really elaborate things, bath towels, giant plushies. Guys, there was this cookie jar that I wanted so badly, and I never got it. It was a Lisa Frank cookie jar of Casey from Casey and Camus, the Golden Retrievers that they illustrate. I wanted that cookie jar so bad, and evidently they launched it at Urban Outfitters like a handful of years ago, and I had no idea. Otherwise I would own one, because that was like a childhood dream of mine. Why the cookie jar? I have no freaking idea, but that's what I wanted. Like, Lisa Frank obsessed. Erin Condren is like my planning version of Lisa Frank, and it's just, oh, it's amazing. So what we need to know is that there are several themes this year. We have, I think it's an updated version of Flora. The ones that I chose, we got to choose a combination platter this year, and I actually have no idea what's in here. I'm seeing several spiral things, so I have no idea what's in here. We're gonna find out. But I chose Harmony as my 7x9. Harmony is like the new theme this year, and it spoke to me. It feels very scrapbook papery, but like rainbow and pretty. And then the other one that I picked was Color Blends, which again, I always pick the new color scheme because as opposed to the neutral, because I love everything that screams bright colors. So let's go ahead and dive into, oh my gosh, this box though. Planny pack. We have a planny pack with the Harmony scheme on it, and it's got a blue glitter ribbon. We've got the washi tape this year. I can't tell if this one on the top is actually one. I think it's one roll. I want it to be skinny, but I don't think it is. We'll have to open it and find out. We got a tote bag, because why the heck not? This tote bag says, let go and live in the moment, and it's got the Harmony theme on it. Oh, now we're getting into the glory. Oh, the glory. Like, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna take a close-up shot, because you need to see, like, does this not just bring you the most joy? Oh, yes. I'm so excited. So, we have so many different, like, oh my, what in the world? I might have gotten 2. I sure did. I got 2. Oh, they're different. No, just kidding. They're different. Oh, hello, gorgeous. I'm dying. Like, My husband's gonna hear all the noise I'm making, come in here and be like, what are you doing? All right, so I always snap these off. This little clear bookmark, I always snap that off. So this is Harmony in all of her beautiful, brightly colored glory. I can't even. So this is a vertical layout planner. This is a vertical layout. I haven't used a vertical layout in several years. And I'm very excited to dive right in. I also have in here some daily duos, so let's take a look here. Oh, I see. I thought, okay, I understand now. I was under the impression that I was getting the A5 sized folio. That's what I thought I was getting, was the folio. Instead, I got the A5 sized spiral daily duo. That's what I have. I'm not mad about it. All right, so it wasn't what I was expecting, but it explains the multiple spiralized planners that I have in here. I have not had any experience with any of the A5 Erin Condren planner products specifically. I know some of their notebooks and stuff are A5, but I have not done the A5 planner. I'm not gonna lie, what I like about this is the more compact size. This feels like if I carry around my bigger tote, this feels like something that would much more easily fit into my bag and actually be carried around with me. Whereas this one, which is always the size that I get, always has felt too clunky, you know? So I leave it at home on my desk. But this feels a little bit more manageable. Okay, all right. So I have the two necessary. So this is the end of 2022. So this is July through December of 2022. And then this will be January through June of 2023. I'm holding a 2023 planner. This does not feel possible to me. Like, isn't it still 2019? Gosh, I wish. Tell you what, these last couple of years have been a blur, haven't they? So those are the notebooks, those are the planners themselves that I have gotten. Now we have accessories. So we have color blend bookmarks, snap-in bookmarks, and we have Harmony snap-in bookmarks. I like this, universal snap-in weekly dashboard. It's Harmony and it has gold foiling options, or gold foil on it. This might be the neutral one actually. No, I don't know. But what it has on the front side, it has a little thing for your priorities, and then it has a to-do list. This is a great weekly dashboard. And on the back, it says it has all the days of the week written, so you could like meal plan and stuff. Ooh, the color, gosh, the color blends one though. How cute are these? I can't, now hang on. They technically fit. Oh, they technically fit in the A5. It fits perfectly in the A5. Look at that. Look at that. It's perfect. Awesome. Then we have a Color Blends monthly planner that's supposed to go into the folio system that they have. The new Harmony sticky notes, some extra stickers. Oh, extra stickers for my A5 and extra stickers for my 7x9. And these should just be duplicates of what's in the back of the book. We have a Flora, this cover is actually really pretty. Flora cover, it says, become what you respect, mirror what you admire. They're getting real profound on the quotes this year. Huh. And then we have this cute little like, oh, this is cute for summer. One of their new patterns for the year. And then we have the gifts to enjoy, interchangeable covers. I get a free interchangeable cover. Happy day. Oh, because I have the daily duo. So what I get to do is I can go in and I can get a free interchangeable cover for my daily duo. Then we have, oh, this is heavy. This must be for the daily duo specifically. Magnetic to-do list dashboard. So this guy is a heavy duty magnet, and then on one side is the little Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then up here is your little priorities and a little to-do list thing. It doesn't have check marks on it though, which makes me very sad, but it is a different option if you don't like the clip-in dashboard. Then of course we have an all new, oh, I'm distracted again. All new sticker book for this theme. This contains the ballpoint pen that we get every year that has the the new pattern on it. And then I'm very intrigued. Dual tip markers, set of 12. They look very different from their typical dual tip markers, right? I mean, the typical ones are here. Oh gosh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. This is what their old ones look like. This is what their new one looks like. What am I looking at here? Oh, highlight. So they're highlighters on one end, and they are fine tip on the other end. Interesting choice. Interesting choice. Accent colors. Wait, what? Are they two different colors? Two colors for every marker. Oh, wow. So they have accent colors. Each marker has a lighter color in the highlighter and a deeper color that you actually write with on the fine point side. But so they are not the same shade of ink on both sides of the dual tip marker, which is very interesting. Should we do a quick flip through? I think we should do a quick. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna hold my phone and try to see if we can do a flip through of this in real time while I'm talking with the audio on the camera. Here she is. Here she is. It's so pretty. It's so stinking pretty. So this is the vertical, right? We're just doing a quick flip through here because we're gonna get a full one in my my video, my other video. The colors shift as they do. Okay, wait, was there a thing for the beginning of the month? Was there a dashboard? I don't know. Yes, there is a dashboard. Okay. So there's that. I'm gonna have to relearn what it's like to use a vertical, you guys. I was team vertical for years. When they released horizontal, I tried it and I couldn't do it. So pretty. Oh. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. We'll do a full flip through in my other video. So what I want to do is I want to skip to the end here. I want to see what the stickers are. Oh gosh, I forgot that this one is the entirety of next year. All right, so we have some heritage and awareness observances. Let's keep in touch. Contact information. A calendar for 2024, if you can believe that. And then here are the stickers that are in back. More of the same. They might have been slightly updated, but not really. The strip appears to be in rose gold. This one, this row is missing a strip of rose gold. I don't know how that happened. Oh, and the Keep It Together folder is beautiful. Look at that. Wowza. Oh, and of course, here's the perpetual calendar that I literally don't use. So there's that one. And then let's take a look at the Daily Duo here. Let's see. So there's that priorities dashboard that I talked about. And then here's what this looks like. I'm going to have to get used to everything being smaller. But again, I'm not mad about it. That's what they look like. This doesn't look like much has changed at all, which is fine. I have no complaints over it. Actually, let's see. Sunday. Wait. Saturday, Sunday, blank page. Monday, Tuesday. If this is actually done properly, because last year, the Daily Duo people got planners and they had Sunday and then a blank page after every week. And then we were told that was wrong and we got shipped new planners. And they just keep running back and forth. But this, if they do this, it keeps, the blank page keeps every Monday on the left. And I can't tell you how many times this last year I have accidentally put the wrong sticker on the wrong day because in my brain it was flipped to a different weekday. Oh, the colorblind colors, you guys, are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So there we go. This was my first look at the new Erin Condren Life Planner launch. I'm jazzed. I'm absolutely jazzed. I cannot wait to use the stuff. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to play with and just life planner launch season always gets me really excited to buckle down and do more planning and get back into like the stickers and the colors and the really, really utilizing things instead of my planner being kind of an afterthought, which sometimes it is. Sometimes my planner has been an afterthought that just kind of sits on my desk. And just this week, I've actually been using it really thoroughly. And I was like, oh, look at all the things I'm getting done. How nice. And so this just reignites that fire of wanting to keep planning, you know? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So brace yourselves, buckle up, get ready for Life Planner launch day, which is on April 25th. And then come back over to my channel, and that is where I will have the complete 411 walkthroughs, up close, personal comparison stuff for you guys, so you can go forth on launch day and determine which life planner is the right one for you to usher out 2022 and bring in 2023. So if that sounds like something that's interesting to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the Diva and the Divine community. We would love to have you. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. I'll see you real soon.